Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Play Console for Android app release, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Play Console for your Android app release, begin by navigating to the Google Play Console website. Log in using your Google account credentials. If you do not have a Google account, click on the Create Account option and follow the prompts. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Google Play Console dashboard. Locate and click on the Get Started button to set up your account. You will be asked to accept the Developer Distribution Agreement. Read through the agreement carefully, and if you agree to the terms, check the acceptance box. Next, you will need to pay the one-time registration fee. Input your payment details to complete the registration process. After payment, you will be prompted to fill out your account details. Enter your developer name, which will be visible to users in the Google Play Store. Proceed to enter the necessary contact information, including email and phone number. Once your account details are submitted, it may take some time for your account to be fully activated. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is set up. Once activated, return to the Google Play Console and log in again. On the dashboard, click on Create Application. Select the default language and type in your app's title. Now you can begin to fill in the product details required for release. Complete the App Content Rating questionnaire to ensure your app meets Google's guidelines. Upload your app's APK or AAB file by clicking on the appropriate section. Fill in the store listing information, including descriptions and screenshots. After inputting all necessary details, navigate to the Pricing and Distribution section. Select whether your app will be free or paid, and choose the countries for distribution. Review all settings to ensure accuracy. Finally, click on Publish to submit your app for review. Monitor the status of your release through the Play Console dashboard. Once approved, your app will go live on the Google Play Store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.